welcome back. All right, if you caught the last episode, then you know I recently pulled the trigger on 4 acres of raw land in western North Carolina with the goal of starting a homestead. This place was a mess. I'm talking piles and piles of trash. And taking it out 1 truckload at a time just wasn't realistic. So last week, I hired a small crew with some machinery and 6 dumpsters to take care of the worst of it. Some jobs are just worth paying for. That said, there is still a bunch of small debris that I'm going to be cleaning up for months to come. But I can't tell you how good it feels to finally see this property without all the junk. It feels like for the first time, I can start to visualize what it could look like in the future. Right now, it's really tempting to plan out the entire homestead and start on a ton of different projects, but my priority is getting the garden shed turned into a livable off-grid cabin. By the way, if you're enjoying this style of video, take 5 seconds to let me know by liking or commenting. And as the name implies, this is my new homestead series, so I'm going to be posting regular updates on progress. Make sure to subscribe if you want to follow along. All right, tiny cabin. Here's the plan. Step 1, fix the water runoff issues. This building sits right at the base of a steep hill, which means every time it rains, water, silt, and debris flow straight down to the back of the structure and seep underneath. That's a serious problem, and it needs to be fixed before I can do anything else. Step 2, improve the foundation. I'll use a little bottle jack to level the building and add extra piers for stability. Step 3, repair the exterior. A lot of the siding is in rough shape, so I'll be replacing what's damaged and repairing the fascia, soffit, and drip guard. And step 4, deep clean, patch small holes, prime, and paint. And after that, the exterior should be looking as good as new, and it will be time to work on the inside. Nothing to it, right? If you've ever tackled a DIY project like this by yourself, then you know very little goes to plan, and it usually takes a lot longer than it's supposed to. But we'll get it done. This is just the beginning. There is a ton of work ahead, but I'm excited to get started. All right, y'all, as always, if you liked it, like it, and if you really liked it, come along for the ride, because I got a lot more videos headed your way, and I think it's going to be a good series. I'll see you next time.